Table.
Take a look. Good. That work?
Oh no.
She goes, yep, it's in the nose. It'll work.
I don't know where it's supposed to be. Are you recording already?
Yeah, it's been
Hey!
recording for like 2 minutes.
Stop! I see now. I feel that cold in me. Alright, wait. I need something to grab. I don't want it to like...
Hold on to your purse.
You cry.
Hold on to your purse.
You don't cry. It makes
Hold
your
on
eyes
to your
water.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Behind you.
Oh, I forgot about this. That's alright.
See on my foot?
That's gonna be cold.
You want my foot? What kind
you
of moral
want- did you
support
say-
is that? Want to hang on to my foot? I got your back.
Alright, I feel just like I did when I got my Billy Wimper, so that's good, I guess.
So you're gonna pass out? Is that what you're saying?
What is that?
Pass out. Have you ever had someone pass out? Sure. I watched a YouTube video and someone passed out, and I was just like, oh my god.
Yep.
It's alright, I ate today.
Well, good.
Yeah.
You have to look at me once you get it in, okay?
Deep breath. Like that. Another one. Like that. Doing good. Doing good.
Oh, it feels funky. Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay, that felt funky. Woo!
That's gonna feel a little
Done!
weird. Tilt your head up.